lights begin. The code runs clean. Machines awake, but nothing's seen. A measured breath, a silent cue. We start again, because we do. Repeat, obey, repeat again. The system speaks, we understand. We can do it, that's enough. We can do it, hard and rough. We can do it, under rule. We can do it, keep it cool. The glass reflects, the wires hum, a sterile faith in what's to come. Hands aligned, no need to feel. Control becomes the new idea. Command received, delay, decline. We leave no trace, we stay confined. We can do it, we comply. We can do it, we don't try. We can do it, in the gray. We can do it, night and day. Motion pure, no cause, no sin. Progress carved in discipline. Silence builds, the world resets. We do what the system expects. We can do it, we remain. We can do it, all the same. We can do it, final tone. We can do it, on our own.